Hello everyone, welcome to another video with information technology. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a miner or how you can buy a miner to increase your hash rate on mining1bitcoin.com. So as you can see right now, my active hash rate is 3000 GH per second. I want to increase this hash rate. So how can I do that? Let's follow the video and I'm gonna show you how you can buy a miner. To add a miner and increase your hash rate on mining1bitcoin.com, we need to click on add miner and it will take us to this page. From here there are different miners that you can activate. The first one is 500 GH per second that you can add, and the second one is light contract for 30 days, and that will increase your hash rate by 1500. All right, so I want to buy this 1500 GH per second. For that I need to deposit a total of 0.0015 BTC. So for that one I can get a profit of 0.00198 BTC. If I deposit a max deposit, I can get a 0.0066 BTC. I will click on it and then I will come down here. Now here I can choose the different types of payment or cryptocurrency that are listed in here. I want to pay in bitcoins, so I will click on the bitcoins. Once I select my payment, I'll click on proceed to payment. Okay, here are the details of the purchase. So deposit confirmation, deposit today and withdraw tomorrow. So the plan is called light contract, and credit amount I need is 0.0015, and then mining profit I will be able to get 0.00198, and mining power will be 1500 GH per second. Please send 0.00150000 BTC to this wallet address. Order status waiting for payment. So I'll copy this address and then I'll go to my blockchain wallet. If you have any other wallet like Binance or whatever, you can go to that and paste this wallet address and then send that amount to mining1.com. So I'll click on the send button, and then from here I'll select BTC. I'm sending from my BTC private key wallet and I have 0.00195, and then I'm sending to I will paste the wallet address of mining1bitcoin.com, and then the amount I will go back to the page. I'll copy this amount, which is 0.0015 and then 40. I'll copy that and then I'll paste it in this area where it says BTC. So I paste it and it's gonna be 20.44 GBP. All looks good, so I'll click on the continue button. I'm okay with all of that, so I'll click on send Bitcoin, and boom, that's it. So I sent the amount. Now I will have to wait for the Mining1Bitcoin to approve my payment and add the hash rate which I just bought. And here I have an email from blockchain.com. Your funds have been sent. So your transaction is pending confirmation from the BTC network. You can also view transaction in your transaction history. Let me click on Bitcoin wallet, and then in here I can see in the history sent BTC amount of 0.0015. Now I need to wait until this transaction is approved by the BTC network, and once that's approved, the active hash rate will move up to 4,500. So let me stop the recording right now and I'll see you in a bit. All right, welcome. The transaction has just been approved, and as you can see, the active hash rate is now 4,500 GH per second. So that means I have added a miner to my active hash rate. It is now 4,500. So this is how you can add or buy a miner on mining1bitcoin.com in order to increase your hash rate. So I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.